Hi gang, just got done feeding my buddy Nav. Something really cool happened too. I caught him right downtown on the square. There's a whole bunch of shops and little cafes, restaurants, and yada yada. And there's this little girl standing outside one of the little cafes with a plate full of samples. Just a little plate with, I don't know what it was, but had a little toothpick stuck in it, whatever it was. And she saw me walk up feeding Nav, and I always talk to him for a few minutes, several sometimes. Or sometimes I'll catch him, a couple of blocks from where I parked and walk with him. Anyway, long story short, she saw me feed him. And as I walked back to the Jeep, got in, fired it up, I looked, she had walked down. And she was, a couple of storefronts up. She wasn't right beside us by any means. A couple of storefronts up, she actually walked down to where Nav was walking after I left. And caught up to him and offered him some samples off the plate. So, kind of a little pay it forward, I guess, on her part. I don't know, I'm not trying to say I'm inspirational or anything like that, but I think that was really, really cool. He obviously walked past her to get to where I caught up to him, because that's the direction he was headed. But for her to make the extra effort to catch back up to him and offer him, I think is just really, really cool. That really put a smile on my heart, I guess you could say. So, pay it forward if you can, guys. Take care of each other. I'm not saying try to take care of the whole world, but, take care of each other as best you can. Take care of a stranger if you can. Throw a little help out there. Just saying. Anyhoozle, I'm off on my lunch break, gonna go find a light for our little village, the little fiber optic village that died on us. And then I'm gonna go meet Tamara and Marshall for lunch for my birthday. So I'm 39 again. Hooray for me! See you guys later. Here's a little wintry wonderland scene. Kinda. We got a little bit, not much. It's mostly gone now. But anyway, that hillside I thought looked neat. Enchiladas, round 2. Red sauce, same brand. Shredded pork, pepper jack cheese on top, cheddar underneath that, and inside, of course. Bacon $3.50. And then wait, we'll see. Peace out. Well, gang, that'd be the end of my birthday day. Low key, low budge. It was fine. Had a good day. Marshall was getting him a little dessert. And then we're gonna call it an evening. Low key, like I said. Evening. You know what low key means?
Well, you're about to go
Kokey, what's that mean? Cuckoo. Oh yeah, probably. You see what I have to live with. How to cause anybody to go cuckoo, loco. Is that what you meant by low key, loco?
Yeah.
Muy loco, gringo.
Ay, caramba.
So anyway, that's it for the night. You guys have a great night.
I have helmet hair. Tell him I don't.
You be the judge, internet. Leave it in the comments below. Tell me what you think.
Yeah.
Here's a Christmas good night to you. Peace out, Cub Scouts. Love you. Bye. Hey guys. This is a little, I guess, PS vlog. Look at that. It's kind of beautiful. I didn't know it was going to continue to do that tonight. I mean, this is nothing compared to what I'm gonna vlog it up with later. Not tonight, I mean later in the season. We get snow here. Those of you that have followed me on Facebook before. Oh, look, Dirty Rats. They've got our garage lights. Shenanigans, I say. Maybe we inspired them. And they took it up a notch. They've even got it right as far as, I always think navigation lights on a waterway, red, right, returning. But I'm an old motorboater. I owned a boat in South Carolina for years and took several navigation classes. So red, right, returning. And I like to motorboat too. Oh God, Mommy's gonna see this and be mad. Any hoozle. Merry birthday for me, I guess. A little snowy into the evening. And possible beginning to tomorrow. You can see how the lights are starting to kind of frost in the snow. They kind of get diffuse and hazy, which is when I think they look the most beautiful, when they're under a little blanket of pillowy whiteness. So anyway, I say anyway a lot. I don't have a catchphrase yet, so unless it's just anyway. But I'm gonna really go to bed this time. And see you guys tomorrow. And have a great night. Stay warm. Cuddle up. It's fun. And it's healthy. Peace out.